Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pumpkin pie from fresh pumpkin. First, choose a small, firm pie pumpkin, ideally weighing 3 to 5 pounds. Wash it well, then carefully cut it in half. Use a spoon to scoop out all the seeds and stringy bits from the center of each half. Place the pumpkin halves cut side down on a baking sheet, ready for roasting. Next, roast your pumpkin halves in an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake them for about 45 to 60 minutes, or until the flesh is very tender when you pierce it with a fork. Once cooled, easily scrape the soft, cooked pumpkin from its skin. Then, blend this delicious flesh until it becomes a perfectly smooth puree, ready for your pie. Now, let's create that rich, flavorful pie filling. In a large bowl, combine 1 1/2 cups of your fresh pumpkin puree with your favorite pumpkin pie spices. Stir in 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk in 2 large eggs and 1 cup of evaporated milk until everything is perfectly smooth. Pour this delightful mixture into an unbaked pie crust. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Start by baking the pie at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then, reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 35 to 45 minutes. The pie is perfectly baked when a knife inserted near the center comes out clean. Let it cool completely before slicing and enjoying with a dollop of whipped cream.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.